Get closer.
Excuse me.
Oh!
Ah! Don't shoot inside the house!
Oh my god. Oh!
Oh my god! Rhino, be careful!
Rhino shot him in the face.
Oh, he hit him in the leg! They got him in his leg! Oh, thank god!
Oh my god.
Juan, you can't do nothing. You're in crutches. I'm sorry to admit that to you.
No, stop! No! Oh my god! What is wrong with him?
Oh my god.
Juan would be the one to like in the house.
Look at Juan! Look at Juan! Oh my god! Do they not care that there's innocent? Look at Juan with his crutch!
That one's sick.
Juan's face is like
Alright guys.
I'm so happy.
Juan's so excited. Wait, Chris. Oh my god.
Take a picture of him, somebody.
Wait, is there another one like that?
If you want to face it in the house, it's
Oh,
scary.
where's my phone?
There's no more Roman candles.
Juan, where'd you put my phone?
Smells like ass.
Chris, is there another one like that?
Oh, like these?
Yeah.
Yeah, the whole plastic bag.
Yo, right now I almost caught you with one of them shit.
Put a jacket on, you're gonna get sick.
That's one. You sound like my mom.
No, come on.
Shut up, Gogo.
I'm good right here. Not the loud one.
Why is Chris getting it right there? I'm telling you, don't do it. I'm staying inside, man.
What are you doing right
I'm
now?
gonna burn it.
They're doing it right below the tree.
I'm gonna catch on fire.
Maybe they live there.
If it goes up in the tree, yeah.
What happened?
See.
They just say the N-word. There's two black people everywhere.
This one.
Oh snap.
That one's out already?
Oh, yeah.
You guys, it is freaking 12 o'clock at night.
And they're not gonna say nothing.
That's not a good idea.
It's Chris, no.
Too late. It's done.
Where did it go?
Dang.
It's not far.
I want to do one of those.
No more. Can we do this in the daytime? We're around 7.
Dusty, stop being a mom.
Like I got neighbors. They're gonna hate me.
They're sleeping, it's fine.
Let's do it all together.
Are you recording a video?
Yeah. I've been recording a video. But it looks beautiful.
Yo, if you get another stove, we gonna
Watch it like blow up on there.
Oh yeah, they have a whole thing in the middle lighting.
Don't do it. Nah, I don't think that's a good idea.
Yeah, bro.
Wait, what are you doing in your camera?
No.
Nobody was there on New Year's.
Not the loud ones.
It's too late.
Go.
You just killed the game.